So, like, is it possible for you guys to move, like, say if Kaboot is here and Tom is here, and when we all move out for Ravage, we still have Kaboot on this side and Tom is still on this side. I think that people are still running around trying to find you guys. Does that make sense? So you're always on the further of wherever, like.
The boss does teleport, so there's no real reason for us to be stacked all together all the time, right?
Grab your food.
Oh, I guess the melee.
Oh shit, that was not me.
Stack with Kaboot.
Beware.
Oh wait, I thought I ran out,
Wait,
dude.
are we resetting? I ran.
I definitely ran out.
We don't have the Hulu.
Sorry.
Wait, what do you mean no food? What if I ate?
Without it. Got one more good pull, please. What do you mean on the same side? Like, you want me on the right side at all times, or
Like,
you want?
yeah, like you will always be on the right side of the room. We will always be on the left side. That's why people are getting mixed up. Like Fox, Sweetheart, follow me.
Oh my god, that was.
What are you doing?
Fuck.
Dude, I'm sorry, that was me, man.
Let's trigger that out next time. Let's just get
Yeah, let's get some pulls in. Trying out.
So like when the first sword thing comes out, and then we all get out, Kaboot stays on the edge there, and then I see Pathfield trying to go to the other side, and everyone walking through. And I guess people get jumbled up in the wrong side. So maybe.
I get what you're saying. Ready up, let's go.
Okay, so Pathfield's team save your cooldowns. Don't burst it right off the start.
2, 1.
3, 2, 1. Beware.
Kaboot's team.
Just on here, Tom. Position it closer with you.
Okay, the knock up, then it's going to be on Pathfield's team. Pathfield's team use your cooldowns.
Beware.
Four, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, ready
Beware.
to move. Kaboot's team on the far side.
3, 2, 1. Beware.
Pop yourself up, range line.
Okay, Pathfield's team.
3, 2, 1. Beware.
Four, 3, 2, 1.
Get ready to move.
Beware.
Moving. Kaboot's team.
3, 2, 1. Beware.
I got balls. Adds up. Knock up. And then Papio's team.
3, 2, 1. Beware.
This might kill me.
No.
Okay, big cooldowns.
Four, 3, 2, 1.
Beware.
Uh-oh.
Rally.
Link.
Rally.
Good night, you guys. Oh my god.
As soon as you
Calculated.
get to your middle, hit your personals. Anything to heal yourself. Block rocks.
I don't think you
4,
can.
3,
As soon as you get to the
Yeah,
middle.
once you're in the Sunside ring, you
One.
can.
Move
Okay.
north.
Range, split up and get the guys on the platform, please. Melee stay on. Okay, talk.
Swapping.
Run away, little girl.
Go through the gates. Wait for it to explode. Go back through. Finish the ads off. Watch out for the swords.
Beware.
Dodgy, dodgy.
Can I get a grip from one of our priests back across? Oh,
You're good.
thank you.
Let's suck in. We're gonna go through the door and stay there.
Thank you, guys.
Run away, little girl. Run away.
Go through the door, stay here, kill it, work on the ads. Once they spawn.
Point that toward the ads, Tom. Gives
I,
them
yeah, I just don't want to hit everyone else. I'm so grouped right now.
Watch out, somebody's in the middle.
I need you to taunt off me though.
Beware.
Okay, dodge, dodge. I got the boss. Tuck in, go through the
Oh.
mirror. Through the mirror.
That was wild.
Then go back through. Finish up these ads. Sorry, I'm hitting everyone with that.
ads down, please. They do a healing debuff.
Yeah, we need all the ads down.
You should go down faster after this.
Beware.
I got boss.
Oh, and me and Furious are trying to kill this one.
It's true.
Yeah, we need.
Excuse me? Can you lock it over here for me, by chance? Or something?
Here it comes.
Thank you. Love you.
Hey Ed, you need a grip.
Run away, little girl.
Oh,
Through the door, stay there.
God damn, you rolled through that like a boss.
Okay, we're moving him to the middle. I got the sword. There's still ads on the left and right side.
Run away, little girl.
what are we doing with this? Just run?
Run, just run.
Run, run, run. Get the ads down.
Ice block?
Beware.
We got ads on both sides, guys.
Yeah, I'm working on it.
Yeah.
Don't get sorted.
It's gonna transition at 40%. We need these ads dead before then.
Maximus.
Get to the middle. It's transitioning.
Beware.
There's an ad here that we can take down.
I'm down.
Get away from there.
Still got another B-res. You want to use it?
Yeah, might as well.
Yeah, it's the last pull.
Get Misty up.
Beware.
Is that a
Okay,
range?
AoE.
Ooh.
Oh, it might get closer, Blunt.
4,
When do we lust?
2,
Oh
1.
shit.
No!
No, yeah. So I didn't even think about it. Okay, get ready to dodge.
For rally when you need it.
It's a bad time to lust.
Yeah, that was a little inconvenient for me.
Get close, get close, get close.
Get out with those rings.
Run away, little girl. Run away.
Move away, run away. He's gonna close off a third of the section again, like he did at the beginning, fairly soon. So just be prepared for that.
Space 3.
Beware.
4,
Get close, don't get knocked off the platform.
1.
Beware.
Here's the third. Move. Keep those spread out. Okay, make sure you're not gonna get knocked off. Don't get knocked off, don't get knocked off. Get those out of there. I need external. Coming up.
Beware.
Okay.
Beware.
Dance,
Thought you
dance,
got.
dance.
I rallied.
You good? Don't get knocked off. Get in close.
You just point yourself in a direction.
Oh, he's done. That's good, good.
You taunt after?
I'm trying to get out of you guys, I'm sorry.
Beware.
4,
Pop these.
2, 1.
Everything you got.
Beware.
This is the third, get out.
Move.
Beware.
Get close, don't get knocked off. This is it, this is all we got.
Give her everything you got, boys. Hit your potions again.
You got a B-res, bring up,
We don't. 4 minutes.
no, okay. Move it out.
Spread out.
Wow, 8%.
Beware.
Okay, get in close, don't get knocked off.
Beware.
Big one. It's the big dodge. We got this. Come on, guys.
Come on,
Push,
come on,
push,
come on,
push,
come on.
push, push, push. 700k.
Push it.
6.
Come
Any
on.
external.
Beware.
Any external. Taunt.
Stay in.
Okay, easy peasy.
3.
Come on.
Oh, you guys are
Two.
good. You guys are good.
Oh, baby. Oh,
Yeah.
baby.
Blade Storm to victory!
Baby.
Get it.
Oh, goodness gracious.
Well
Congrats,
done,
guys. That was awesome. Last fucking poll.
10
We're going
minutes.
to Mythic.
That
on
Oh, that was calculated, dude.
I fucking
Woo!
Where's
love
my
it.
loot? Where's my loot, bitch?
Tom,
you were the fucking MVP there, calling all that shit out, cause I
Yeah.
had no clue what's going on.
Total. Awesome, like, boss placement, too. Knowing the section it off well like that.